Hello everyone! Welcome to our fun English lesson. Today we will learn all about different vegetables in English. Get ready to discover new words. This is an interactive session. Repeat each word clearly after me. Alright, let's start. The name of this vegetable is carrot. Repeat. Carrot. The carrot is a delicious and crunchy vegetable. Let's try another one. Tomato. Tomato. Tomatoes are wonderfully sweet and tangy, perfect for salads and sauces. Time for another vegetable. Potato. Repeat. Potato. Here's another important vegetable. Onion. Repeat. Onion. Onion. I like onions for their strong flavor. Onions can make you cry when cut, but they add amazing taste. Now, let's learn about garlic. Listen and repeat. Garlic. Repeat. Garlic. I like garlic because it adds a wonderful aroma and taste to savory dishes. Garlic has a strong flavor. This is a very healthy green vegetable. Broccoli. Repeat. Broccoli. I like broccoli steamed or roasted. Let's practice this leafy green. Lettuce. Repeat. Lettuce. I like lettuce as the base for a fresh, crisp salad. Lettuce is typically green and very refreshing. Here's a cool and refreshing vegetable. Cucumber. Repeat. Cucumber. I like cucumbers sliced in water or sandwiches. Now, let's talk about peppers. Pepper. Repeat. Pepper. I like peppers because they add a sweet crunch. This is another super healthy leafy green. Spinach. Repeat. Spinach. I like spinach cooked or raw in smoothies. Let's learn about this seasonal favorite. Pumpkin. Repeat. Pumpkin. I like pumpkins for making delicious pies and soups. Here's a sweet and popular grain. Corn. Repeat. Corn. I like corn on the cob. Let's practice this tiny green vegetable. Peas. Repeat. Peas. I like peas added to rice or pasta. This is a unique purple vegetable. Eggplant. Repeat. Eggplant. I like eggplant grilled or baked. Let's learn about cabbage. Cabbage. Repeat. Cabbage. I like cabbage in coleslaw or stir fries. Here's a very crunchy vegetable. Celery. Repeat. Celery. I like celery as a healthy snack. Now let's practice this delicious root vegetable. Sweet potato. Repeat. Sweet potato. I like sweet potatoes baked or mashed. Let's learn about mushrooms. Mushroom. Repeat. Mushroom. I like mushrooms in my omelets and on pizza. Finally, let's practice cauliflower. Cauliflower. Repeat. Cauliflower. I like cauliflower roasted with spices. Great job! You learned many vegetables today. Now it's your turn to practice. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.